Uba Vivix Im SP East Khasi Hills hak arpo pratarik yayong ulayat ho baki Pulit kani ke distrik kila kemi Samla Sandi Sohtun, President Northeastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu. Uni unong yalam ki Samla Puli Haskul ba NEHU, ula syakem halor ka first information report bala ai do Dr. Alok Singh nong hikai Hindi hakani ke skul ba hak arpo santarik yayong. Ki Pulit kila kemi Samla Sandi Sohtun halor kani ke FIR bala ai do Dr. Alok Singh. Kijing tokit kidang Ngat Shaprang. Ki Pulit jangka East Khasi Hills District haka janmit jangka arpu pratarik yayong kila rai Samla Sandi Sohtun syayeng Kashari District and Session Shillong Judge. Kayeng Kashari kala aipor nyosni judicial custody ya Ki Pulit ban tokit benia halor kajing mudui jong Dr. Alok ya uni Samla. Lakemi usandi haka step jangka arpu pratarik yayong na NEHU. Haka jing keran Samla Sandi ulaong. Kani ke jing syak kem jong u kadai ka kam thok kam syukor ka ba utei unong hikai ulak keno klem nong rim lembat ki wei pat ki Samla Puli ya Samla Sandi rasan ran lang da kinong yalam ka KSU bakan thop ya organizing secretary Samla Rehman Kharjana bar Samla Ruben Najar assistant general secretary CEC.
Justice made in NEHU case.
Yes, one arrest has been made.
Who is the person?
His name is Sandi Sohtun, President Nehusu.
Okay. And whether he will be produced to the court today, sir?
Yes, most likely today.
And what are the charges against him?
Assault, confinement.
Okay. And any other arrest also? Or only one?
The law will take its own course. Okay, thank you.